mind mapping with the title Community Level Hospitality Marketing has 6 branches, which is pricing, product development, customer relationship management, marketing research, distribution, promotion. So the product development has 3 branches, which is other way around, which is concept development, developing and testing, ideas screening, and idea generation. And sa customer relationship management, data collection and management, customer segmentation, personalized communication, and customer service and support. And here naman po sa market research, defining the research problem and objective, developing the research plan, data collection, and data analysis. Sa distribution naman po, has 4 branches, which is distribution channel intermediaries, supply chain management, and engagement. And sa promotion naman, has 5 branches, advertising, sales promotion, personal selling, public relationship, and direct and digital marketing. And lastly, the pricing has 3 branches, and it is competition-based pricing, cost-based pricing, and